Hey, deal hunters! AliExpress Getaway Deals 2025 are live, and this time, every country gets its own exclusive promo codes. From smart gadgets to kitchen tools and fashion picks, huge discounts are waiting for you. But hurry, these offers end on July 21st. Let's find out which promo code is available in your country.
1. Codes for United States. These powerful codes to unlock major savings on trending gadgets, smartwatches, tools, and home appliances specially curated for U.S. shoppers. 2. Codes for Brazil. Activate these Brazil-exclusive deals to enjoy price drops on top picks like fashion accessories, kitchen tools, and tech gadgets. 3. Codes for South Korea. Korean shoppers, you're in for a treat. Enjoy instant discounts on mobile accessories, smart bands, and lifestyle electronics. 4. Codes for United Kingdom. UK shoppers are snagging some of the best deals on power tools, portable gadgets, and home essentials, all specially discounted for the UK. 5. Codes for Spain. Spain shoppers can now enjoy exclusive codes for big savings on travel gear, smart tech, and trending home products. 6. Codes for Mexico. Mexican shoppers use your specific code to unlock exciting offers on home appliances, electronics, and summer accessories. 7. Codes for France. French users enjoy premium discounts on everyday essentials, from smart bands and irons to kitchen gadgets and more. 8. Codes for Germany. Germany's got great offers. Use your exclusive code to save on tools, mixers, and must-have electronics. 9. Codes for Netherlands. Dutch shoppers can enjoy amazing savings on lifestyle gear, kitchen appliances, and trending tech with these special codes. 10. Codes for Poland. Apply your Poland-only code and shop for multimeters, home tools, and electronics, all with unbeatable prices. 11. Codes for Italy. Italian customers, here's your chance to grab smartwatches, compact irons, and stylish travel gadgets at heavily discounted prices. 12. Codes for Gulf countries. Gulf region shoppers enjoy massive savings across smart devices, home tools, and trending gadgets with your region's special promo codes. 13. Codes for Ukraine. Ukrainian users, apply your exclusive code to save big on smart gadgets, kitchen items, and tech essentials. 14. Codes for Australia. Australians, take advantage of hot summer deals on electronics, power banks, and home gear with your country's dedicated code. So there you have it, the biggest deals, the best prices, and exclusive promo codes just for your country. Add your favorite products to the cart, apply the promo code at checkout, and enjoy unbeatable savings before the clock runs out. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the hottest global deals every week. Happy shopping, and see you in the next one.